You think you know when a man is interested in you. You might even believe you can read the signs. But sometimes the things we interpret as attraction are just politeness, while the real signals go unnoticed. That leaves you wondering, does he actually like you, or is it all in your head? It can be hard to tell if a man is secretly attracted to you, but psychology reveals key signs that can expose his true feelings. Number 1, he looks at you more often and holds your gaze. Eye contact is a subtle yet powerful sign of attraction. If a man is interested in you, you'll likely notice that he looks at you more often and tries to hold your gaze. He may not always make it obvious, but those brief, lingering glances are key indicators. Eye contact is one of the most primal ways we communicate our feelings without words. It often happens naturally and unconsciously, but it's packed with meaning. According to a study in the Journal of Research in Personality, people who gazed into each other's eyes for extended periods were more likely to report feelings of affection. So, if you catch him staring at you or holding your gaze longer than usual, it's likely a sign he's attracted to you. And if you've ever felt a little flutter in your chest after making eye contact with someone you like, it's because that connection releases attraction hormones, giving you that rush of excitement. Number 2, he's friendly and attentive. One of the most genuine signs of attraction is that he's friendly and attentive towards you. But here's the catch. Many behaviors that show attraction can overlap with polite social behaviors, which can make it tricky to spot. As attraction researcher Jeffrey Hall points out, it's easy for most of us to tell when someone isn't interested, but we often struggle to recognize when they are. When a guy is truly attracted to you, he gives you more of his time and energy. This might look like asking questions to get to know you better, encouraging you to talk about yourself, and actively engaging in the conversation. He may share personal details about himself so you can understand him more, and he'll work to keep the conversation flowing. It's not just small talk, it's genuine effort to connect and deepen the conversation. After all, when someone likes you, they want to invest in getting to know you. If he's attentive to your thoughts and makes an effort beyond pleasantries, it's a pretty clear sign he's interested. Number 3, he says nice things to you. It's not rocket science. When we want people to like us, we all know a compliment can go a long way. Men have been using flattery for ages to win someone over, and chances are, if he's regularly giving you compliments, there's more to it than just being kind. In fact, research shows that we tend to interpret certain compliments as signals of sexual interest. So, if he's saying nice things on repeat, there's probably a good reason for it. But it doesn't stop at compliments about your looks or personality. Other verbal cues to watch for include making it clear that he's single and available, subtly signaling that he's open to getting to know you better. Using mild sexual innuendos or playful remarks that hint at his attraction without being overly forward. These verbal signals can indicate that he's not just being polite, but that he's genuinely interested in you. Number 4, he very subtly invades your personal space. Now, before we go any further, let's be clear. This may sound creepy, and it definitely is when it's unwanted. But in the context of attraction, breaking down personal space barriers can signal interest, and it's not always as obvious as it sounds. We all have an invisible bubble of personal space around us that we instinctively protect. It's an unspoken rule that we don't cross into each other's space unless we've already established some level of intimacy or familiarity. The exception, when we're flirting and want to get closer. So if a guy is really attracted to you, he may start to subtly invade your personal space. It could be something as small as accidentally brushing your knee if you're sitting next to each other, or reaching out to gently touch your arm. These little touches aren't just accidents, they're signals that he's trying to build closeness and intimacy. It's a way of saying, I want to consensually cross some boundaries. Number 5, he seems nervous or awkward. Let's face it, talking to a crush can be nerve-wracking. and it's totally normal for someone to get a little jittery. In fact, one of the clearest signs that a guy likes you is if he gets nervous around you. A normally smooth-talking guy may suddenly stumble over his words or mess up a sentence if he's having trouble stringing together a coherent sentence when talking to you, but seems perfectly at ease around others. It's a pretty good sign he's crushing on you. For example, he might give you short one-word answers like yes or no when he's normally more chatty. Or he might stutter, forget what he was going to say, or even laugh nervously. Keep an eye out for other nervous tics. Maybe he cracks his knuckles, scratches his head, or fidgets with something while talking to you. These physical signs often mean that he's trying to make a good impression, but his nerves are getting the better of him. Number 6, he wants to be physically close to you. When someone likes you, they naturally want to be near you, and a guy is no exception. If he's really into you, he'll find ways to be physically close to you, and it won't feel forced. For example, when you're hanging out, he won't leave until you do. He'll stick by your side, whether you're alone or in a group, always making sure he's near. And if he knows you have a favorite spot, like a cafe or arcade, he might show up there just to bump into you. At parties, he'll make sure he's around as long as you're there, even if others leave first. If he offers to walk or drive you home, that's another big sign. He wants that extra bit of time with you, and he enjoys being in your presence, and it doesn't stop there. He'll also take the time to get to know your friends because, let's face it, if he likes you, he wants them to like him too. Number 7, he tries to impress you. When a man is attracted to you, he'll often try to impress you, whether it's through his achievements, skills, or even subtle bragging. He wants to show you his best side, not out of arrogance, but because he values your opinion and wants to be seen in a positive light. If he's going out of his way to show off his talents or achievements, it's a clear sign he's attracted to you. Conclusion. Now that we've covered these signs, you're better equipped to spot when a man is secretly attracted to you, especially if he's shy or not upfront about it. Whether it's through his actions, the way he interacts with you, or the subtle signs of nervousness, there's often more going on than meets the eye. Remember, attraction isn't always loud or obvious. It can be found in the smallest gestures like holding eye contact, giving you extra attention, or making the effort to be near you. If you notice these signs, it's likely that he's into you but just doesn't know how to say it yet. So next time you catch yourself wondering about a guy's feelings, look closely at his behavior. It might just reveal more than words ever could.